for me. How great is your name, O Lord God, through all the earth. You have made him little less than our God. With glory and honor you crowned him, gave him power and works of your hands. Put all things under his feet. How great is your name, O Lord our God, through all the earth. All of them, sheep and cattle, yes, even the savage beasts, birds of the air and fish that make their way through the waters. How great is your name, O Lord our God, through all the earth. Give praise to the Father Almighty, for his Son Jesus Christ the Lord. For the Spirit to dwell in our hearts, both now and